Okay, Streptomyces graeus is an actinomycete that produce antibiotic such as streptomycin. Okay, as we have already heard in the fungi such as Penicillium notatum, or we can say that the Penicillium species that produce the antibiotic penicillin. Like this way, Streptomyces graeus is an actinomycete that produce the antibiotic name that is streptomycin. And another example I can also give, that is Streptomyces fredei that produced antibiotic name that is a neomycin. Neomycin, Neomycin, neomycin. So these are the example Streptomyces graeus that produced antibiotic streptomycin, Streptomyces fredei that produced neomycin antibiotic. So these are the beneficial effect. Okay, here is the harmful effect of actinomycetes. Actinomycetes some causes the spoilage like cereals, grains, seed, wood, paper, etc. They can cause spoilage such as in the cereals, grain, seed, wood, paper, wool, etc. Okay, some species are the pathogenic. Some species are the pathogenic, which means that they can cause disease in the plants, animals, and in the human. They can cause disease in the plants, animals, or in the human also. For example, nocardia, asteroids, nocardia, okay, this can cause the lung infection. Another example, that is a Streptomyces scabies. They can cause scab disease in potato. In the plant, it can cause scab disease in potato. Like this way, dermatophilus. Dermatophilus. It is one species that can cause skin infection. So, they can cause spoilage also. They can also work as in pathogens that can cause disease in the plants, animal, and the human also. Here is the example, nocardia, that can cause disease or disease in the lung infection. They can cause the lung infection. Then another example, that is a Streptomyces scabies, which can cause scab disease in the potato plants, mostly in the potato. Dermatophilus species that can cause skin infection. This is what all about the actinomycetes. In that we have seen the word actinomycetes, which means ray fungus. Then we have seen the definition. In the definition we see that they are the prokaryotic, aerobic, gram-positive. They are having the filamentous branch structures and they reproduce either by the fission or by the spore formation. Then we have seen the habitat. In the habitat they are mostly found in the soil and they are the free living saprophytes. Then we have seen the general characteristic. In that we have seen the cell wall is made up of peptidoglycan. They have high G plus C content. They produce some volatile compound that is named as geosmin, which means earthy smell. And in the nutrition we have seen that they are the heterotrophic. They derive the nutrient from the dead and decay material. Then from the classification, in that we have seen that in the Burgess Manuals of Systematic Bacteriology in the volume 4, that have been mentioned about the actinomycetes. And then we have seen the reproduction. In that mostly they reproduce by the spore formation or by the fission. Then we have seen the beneficial effect and the harmful effect of actinomycetes.